Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Network Solutions, found at networksolutions.com. This website serves as a one-stop shop for individuals and businesses looking to establish and manage their online presence. From domain registration and web hosting to website building tools and online marketing services, Network Solutions aims to provide a comprehensive suite of products. Navigating the site, you'll find a fairly standard layout, with clear categories for domains, web hosting, website security, and online marketing services. While the interface isn't particularly flashy, it aims for functionality, allowing users to quickly find the services they need. The domain search function is prominently featured, allowing you to quickly check the availability of your desired domain name. Network Solutions offers a variety of hosting plans, ranging from shared hosting for smaller websites to dedicated servers for larger, more resource-intensive projects. Their website builder offers a drag-and-drop interface, promising a user-friendly experience for creating and customizing your website. They also offer marketing services, such as SEO and PPC, to help boost your online visibility. Furthermore, Network Solutions provides website security options, including SSL certificates, to protect your site and your visitors' data. One key area to consider is pricing. Network Solutions services are generally on the higher end of the spectrum compared to some competitors. However, they often run promotional offers, so it's worth checking their current deals. Another aspect to research is customer support. While they offer multiple support channels, including phone and chat, user reviews regarding their customer service are mixed. In summary, Network Solutions offers a wide range of services for building and maintaining your online presence. From domain registration and website building to hosting and marketing, they aim to provide a complete solution. However, potential users should carefully consider the pricing and research customer reviews before committing to their services. Be sure to compare Network Solutions with other providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your needs.